Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce software licensing fees with SAP Cloud. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current software licensing situation. Identify the specific SAP products you are currently using. Review your existing licensing agreements and terms. Determine which features and functionalities are essential for your organization. Next, explore the different SAP Cloud offerings available. Navigate to the SAP website to compare service options. Consider the subscription-based model for flexible payment structures. Evaluate which cloud solution aligns best with your business needs. Consult the SAP Cloud pricing calculator for estimated costs. Once you have narrowed down your options, engage with an SAP representative. Discuss your current usage and potential areas for cost reduction. Request a demonstration of the SAP Cloud solutions that interest you. Analyze how these solutions can consolidate multiple licenses. Look into SAP's license optimization tools for additional insights. After gathering all necessary information, create a cost-benefit analysis. Present this analysis to your decision-making team. Make recommendations based on data and projected savings. Plan a phased transition to SAP Cloud services. Prepare a migration strategy to ensure a smooth shift. Communicate with your team about the upcoming changes. Monitor ongoing usage after migration for further optimization opportunities. Stay informed about any updates or changes in SAP licensing policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.